Hi friends, it's Pip. Let's count to 5 with our bath toys. Splish, splash. Look, one yellow duck. Quack, quack. Can you say one? One. Now, 2 little boats. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 boats, 2. Ooh, bubbles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 shiny bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Bouncy balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red balls. Boing, boing. Now the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colorful blocks. Hooray! We did it! Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends! Bye-bye, see you next time.